Today we're in Fairfield, California at the Solano County College for a re-roof project. The system we're using is USG Securock Gypsum-Fiber with Carlisle Sherwell TPO adhered directly to the USG Securock.
Fairfield College undertook this project because the existing roofing system had begun to leak and there was water coming in several areas that was getting into the structure of the building.
One of the main challenges of this project was to design a roof system that would perform well throughout the years for Solano County College.
Fairfield, California is in a very windy area, so architects and specifiers in that area would be looking for something that offers a high wind uplift performance.
We opted to go with Securock Gypsum-Fiber mechanically fastened.
This job is very unique in the fact that the mechanics are mechanically attaching to the deck and fully adhering the membrane. So each side is taking a different type of application. It's a beautiful, versatile feature of the product.
USG Securock was the perfect product for this project for many reasons.
Securock Gypsum-Fiber has premium wind uplift ratings compared to competitors.
It has a better application rate with adhesives.
The adhesive coverage is much greater, and the reason why is there's no facer for it to absorb into. So the chances for delamination are zero.
It has a high compression strength.
It's an extremely hard and durable product. The other great attribute is the ability for less fasteners, and that'll save the mechanics and the contractor time and money, which is huge.
It's contractor friendly. You score and snap the product versus cutting it with a skill saw.
There's no fiberglass, so it's not irritable for them. Contractors love it.
It's easy to cut and it doesn't make you agey or nothing like that. Make a line and snap it.
The USG Securock Gypsum-Fiber roof board offers longevity, durability, the warranty, all of those things that you want to know that in a project like this, it's being done right.
My goal is to get the contractor the best possible product for his roof. That is the #1 goal.
Building Enclosure Solutions recommends and stands behind USG Securock and would recommend it again in our next project.